Uh, um, Good day po. We are pleased to present the updated version of the Manila Hinting South web system. As advised, we revised and enhanced the system to improve the sales, monitoring, order management, security, decision making. We will now walk through the key updates and improvements we implemented. First is sales monitoring for fast and slow moving items. We added a feature to identify fast moving and slow moving items. The system now tracks which item sells the most, which item sells slowly, and how many units of a specific item are sold today. This helps the business manage inventory more efficiently, avoid overstocking slow-moving items, and prioritize restocking fast-moving products. Next is improve order summary with full details. We enhance the order summary section. The order summary section now includes item cost, shipping fee, and total amount. By integrating full order details, the system now provides better transparency for both admin and customers, more accurate sales record, and a easier tracking of expenses and revenue.
Um, the next revision is reducing losses. To help avoid financial losses, we implemented a cash on delivery limit. Orders above 5,000 are mostly restricted from COD. Customers are encouraged to use online payment methods for higher value orders. This update helps reduce cancelled or fake COD orders, and it protects the business from unnecessary losses. The next is controlling order process and security features. We also improved our order control and system security by um, the system now allows the admin to detect and manage fake accounts, prevent fake or suspicious orders, block customers involved in fraudulent activities, maintain a customer blacklist. These features ensure a more secure ordering process, better control over customer behavior, reduced risk of system abuse or plugging.
The next is the analytics integrated into the dashboard. So previously, analytics had a separate page. As part of our revision, we removed the standalone analytics page. The analytics are now integrated directly into the dashboard. So now the dashboard displays sales performance, fast and slow moving items, and the order trends. So this provides the admin with quick access to important data, better decision making at a glance, and a cleaner and more efficient interface.
So to show the revisions that were recommended by Sir Esmeralda, first one is the sales monitoring, which we can see here in the admin dashboard that we have top selling products and slow moving products, and also we have the product movement analytics where we can see the fast moving and slow moving items in a bar graph. So this prevents overstocking slow moving items and prioritizing the fast moving items more. So next is the improved order summary. So first we will log in the customer page. So our cart is empty and we need to add a product. So here we can see in our order summary that we have the subtotal or the item costs, and then we have shipping fee, in which if we have 1,200 pesos of item cost, then there will be free shipping. So we can add another product and update, and now makikita natin free shipping na siya. And here we can see the total cost of the delivery. And also the next one is the COD limit. in which to reduce unnecessary losses. So for orders above 5,000 pesos, they cannot select cash on delivery. So to show here po. So the total now is 6,000 pesos, and you now cannot select cash on delivery, and you can only select online payment methods like GCash and bank transfer. So the next revision is the controlled ordering process and some security features, which now allows the admin to detect and manage fake accounts and prevent fake or suspicious orders. So here in our customer management page in the admin, you can see that we have another column added named CFO, which stands for consecutive failed orders. So if there are three consecutive failed orders for a customer, they will be flagged as uh, a and blacklisted. So example, here we have for nilcustomer@gmail.com, we can set the recent three orders to failed, and you can see here in the CFO that they have now four consecutive failed orders and it flagged the account. So this is for a more secure ordering process and reduce risk of users abusing the system. And lastly, we have the analytics integrated into the dashboard as you have seen earlier. So previously we have a previous analytics page, but now it is merged into the dashboard page. And here on the right side, you can see the sales analytics and product movement analytics. And that's all for the revisions. Thank you.
To close, in summary, the updated Manila Kingpit South Web system now is focused more on better sales tracking, more detailed order summaries, loss prevention, improved security and order control, and centralized analytics through the dashboard. So these revisions align with the recommendation and aim to make the system more efficient, secure, and business oriented. Thank you, and we are now open to any questions or feedback.